Hi ladies, today is a very special and important day. I actually have a big event. It's a red carpet event to celebrate all the Showmax stars. As you guys know, I was one of the cast members on Faithless, so this is why I got the invite. But this is the interesting part. I'm actually going to attempt to do the impossible. I want to go on the red carpet without using any foundation or powder. But don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to achieve it. So it's time for skincare. Let's go.
Okay ladies, in order for you to achieve flawless skin without using any foundation, it's important for you to focus on the areas that actually break out on your skin. For me, I went with the Papaya Cleansing Bar as always because this is what helps me to maintain healthy glowy skin without any foundation. And the cleansing part is important because this is how you're going to make sure that your skin does not break out anymore and leave behind the stubborn dark marks. So you cleanse your skin thoroughly to ensure that your skin remains flawless and you will never need to cover it up anymore. And look at that. I love the Papaya Cleansing Bar. And now it's time to go to the second step, which is the Radiant Glow Exfoliating Scrub. This is my favorite scrub because it actually reveals baby soft skin without you having to do too much. And I applied it evenly everywhere, and I did not forget my lips. And I remind you ladies, never forget your lips. Exfoliation is going to help you if you want to have baby soft skin and you don't want to wear foundation, because this is going to make sure that your skin remains healthy, soft, and you are not going to be dealing with breakouts or any kind of stubborn dark marks. Look at the skin already. And now it's time for us to go to the third step, which is the Radiant Glow Mask. This happens to be a favorite of so many of you ladies. Every single day I get just really good reviews about this mask, and it's because, as you can see from my skin, it actually heals the skin from within. And the trick is, immediately after the Radiant Glow Mask, you need to go in with the steam. You have to steam your skin if you really want to not have to wear foundation. And right after you have masked and you have steamed, it's time for you to moisturize. The trick is for you to moisturize when your skin is still damp, it's still wet. Do not wait any longer. And what I did was I actually moisturized my lips using the sweet almond oil, which is one of my favorite oils of all time. And then it was time for the Radiant Glow Serum. Now this serum, I'm telling you how it's just going to nourish your skin and make your skin feel baby soft. It is just instant, and this is exactly why I picked it.
So the skincare is done. As you can see, I feel so good. And now we're just going to do some light makeup. I'm going to do a little bit of eyebrows, a little bit of eyeshadow, and that's it. So ladies, what do you think? This is the makeup. What I did was eyebrows, and then I did very light eyeshadow, some mascara, and that's it. I didn't want to do any foundation, and I'm still contemplating, am I going to do the lipstick? I don't know. I'll think about it. So it's time to get dressed, and I'll see you at the event. Okay ladies, I'm done. What do you think? I love this dress. It's by Robana's Beauty Galore. And if you really want to try out going out to an event, or maybe it's your wedding and you don't necessarily want to wear makeup, I'm just going to share with you a couple of tips in this video. But right now it's time to head to the red carpet. I'll see you there.
So ladies, as you can see, the skin is still glowy. I went to the event, I enjoyed myself, but I noticed that my skin was still glowy and looking healthy all throughout the night.
Hey ladies, so So I'm back home. I had a lovely time at the event. I hope you guys are going to be tuning into Showmax to watch the shows, but the most important thing, I actually managed to get on the red carpet with no foundation and no powder. As you can see, the skin still looks glowy and really good, and I thank God for that. So if you are interested in some natural skincare products, make sure you let me know. We have the cleansing bar, we have the scrub, we have the mask, and we also have our Radiant Glow Serum. I'll see you later. Bye.